What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money to Pakistan using Remitly. So, if you want to send money using Remitly here to Pakistan, well, there are a few things here that you need to do. So, first things first is you want to go ahead and log in into your Remitly account and just access the homepage here. Now, at the top left, you want to go and change where you want to send. So in my case, since I'm in the Philippines, let's go and click on the Philippine flag here, and you want to go and click on search and just type in Pakistan. Now from here, once you've selected Pakistan, we are now ready to start sending our money. Now, to be speaking, the price itself is going to be pretty much the same thing wherever you're sending. So you just need to click on the send button, as you see at the bottom of your screen, and it's going to bring up this UI here. Now you need to specify the amount you want to send. Like for example, you want to send it like $100. Now, here, you want to also choose the delivery speed here, so either express, which in this case is delivered instantly, or economy, which takes around like 3 to 6 days for them to send that specific amount. Now, by the way, the amount or the fees here may be different depending on where you're sending, but to be speaking, express is going to be a lot more costly and economy is going to be a lot cheaper. But then again, this actually depends. Sometimes they're just pretty much the same thing, so just choose express. But once you've done that, let's go and click on continue. Now, this will require you to enter details about yourself and also the person that you're going to send to. Now, from here, you want to specify how you want to send this. You can go and click on bank deposit or whatever you want and click on continue. Now, you could choose the banking for this one. So, for example, if you want to send via this Allied Bank here, go and just press that. And just provide the necessary information like the receiving bank details. But once you provide all the details here at the last page, you just need to provide your payment details. That includes you adding a card or linking your bank here in order for you to proceed with the payment. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.